Now I've done a lot of things to this ARRMA Vorteks 4x2 boost, upgraded the ESC, went brushless, did the RC all-wheel drive, gearbox upgrade, and then I also did the RC all-wheel drive rear diff upgrade as well as the CVD drive shafts. But the last thing I want to do with this is I want to make it four-wheel drive. So RC all-wheel drive has sent me their four-wheel drive conversion kit. You can get the conversion kit from ARRMA, but everything's plastic in that kit, and that's why it's so cheap. This one costs a little bit more, but everything is metal. First thing we have to do is put this differential right here in the front. We can flip this front and we'll take out this blank piece. We'll check out the differential. This does come with oil inside. It comes with diff oil, but it goes in right like that. It can't go the other way. You can't put it in wrong. It won't fit. There's only one way it goes in. So we're gonna take the wheels off because we're putting the CVD drives on. And then I have to take off my RC all-wheel drive wheel hex nuts here that I put on in my last video. I have to take those off because these axles have to come out. Let's check out the drive shaft spring loaded, because you're gonna have to press it in and then it would fit right there in the spline like that. If you don't have this, you can use your stock. Your stock one is gonna work. It's the same design. So this is designed to fit with whether or not you have the RC all-wheel drive version or your stock version. Just to show you, put that end on and there we go. Just like that. This four-wheel drive conversion kit comes with a set of aluminum wheel hexes, but I don't need them because I had the ones from the set I got in the last video. But for the drive shafts, the CVDs, just put them together like that. There's the grub screws and the pins for the hexes. We're gonna need the grub screws though. So we'll just put that in through there. And then right here on the diff, there's a dimple there. It's drilled. You want the grub screw to go where that dimple is. And always remember, metal into metal, always use some thread lock. So first I want to grease this. All right, all greased up. Now we're ready to put this back on. And we're ready for the center drive shaft. And the center drive shaft comes with two different lengths. So if you need the longer length, you just take this spring off here and then there's a pin. You can take that pin out and then you'll put this in and then just put the pin back in and put the spring back on to hold the pin in. The one that came in the pack is the size I need for the Vorteks. And this little spline, this is the one that came with this gearbox. If you're still running the stock rear differential, see it fits on there too. So it doesn't matter if you're running stock or not. Slip that over the front, compress it. There you go. Now we have four-wheel drive. So that's the install on the four-wheel drive conversion, but let's take it out and see just how much better this is with four-wheel drive versus the two-wheel drive, because last time I had it at the track running this on 3S, it was just too much power to get any traction with just rear-wheel drive. Wasn't ready for that. Oh man, yes, this is going to be great. Oh yeah, I love the Vorteks now. When I first got it, it was very disappointing. And I could have got the 3S BLX. I like to tinker with things. I like to make things my own. That's why I went with the Vorteks Boost. And that way I could show everybody all the things that are available for it and the things you can do with it. This thing is an animal now. So much better now. Oh. Oh. Get some nice air with this now, because I can really like get on the throttle right before I hit the jump. So this four-wheel drive conversion totally changes the dynamics of this. Now you can see just how much of a difference the four-wheel drive conversion makes. So I'm gonna link everything in this build down below in the description. But that'll be it for this video. But thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button, and I hope to catch you on the next video.